In this video, I am going to show you how you can set password groups in your iPhone. Let's get started. There's an extremely useful feature on the iPhone that almost no one I talk to seems to know about. It's called password groups. So here's how you do it. First, go to your iPhone and open Spotlight Search. Then search for passwords and open the app. In there, you'll see an option called New Shared Group. Tap on it and you can give the group a name. For example, if it's for work, you might call it work. If it's for housemates, you might name it after your house. Or for a family group, just call it family. Choose whatever is relevant to you. Once you've named the group, you'll see your name listed as the owner of the group. Next, tap Add People and search for the people that you want to add to the group. Keep in mind, they'll need to be iPhone users for this to work. After selecting them, tap Add to include them in the group. Then tap Create in the upper right corner to finalize it. Now you can scroll through all the passwords stored on your device and select any that you'd like to share with the group. Once you've chosen them, tap Move in the upper right corner. At this point, you have the option to notify the people that you've added to the group. You can do this via messages, or you can choose Not Now and let them know manually. It's up to you. The other person will need to accept the invitation to join the password group. If you sent the notification session via messages, they can follow the link in the message to accept. If not, they can go to Passwords on their device. Tap Invitations, choose Few, and then accept the invitation. Once that's done, everyone in the group will have access to the shared user IDs and passwords. And the best part is if anyone changes a password in the group, it will automatically update for everyone else in the group across all their devices. You don't need to notify anyone, it just works seamlessly. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to iPhone Insider for more quick iPhone tricks, hidden features, and smart tips to get the most out of your device. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.